Good morning, Facebook land. This is Alan Burdetsky with Boutique Realty here to talk to you about the housing bubble. So I get a lot of questions asked, when is our market going to correct itself? When is our housing market going to collapse? Truth is, nobody has a crystal ball, but we should look at the fundamentals. Let's compare our most recent housing bubble crash to now. In 2007-2008, we had poor underwriting standards, we had a lot of no-doc loans, we had stated loans, we had mortgage brokers that were allowed to choose their own appraisers and often shopped for values to get the highest loan amount that they could. We had very little, if any, regulation in underwriting. I can tell you just from personal experience, being in the mortgage industry back in 2006, 2007, underwriters were very laid back and they were not looking at what they should have been looking to make sure that a borrower had the ability to repay. We had 2-year fixed loans, we had subprime loans, we had loans that had negative amortization. It was just a mess. All of this caused the bubble when homeowners stopped being able to pay their mortgage. Values were unsustainable and loan amounts started going up, interest rates started adjusting, and that was it. Pretty much the market collapsed after that. Let's look at what we have going on now. So now, most loans, when I say most, I say probably 90% of loans originated, are full doc loans, which means that borrowers have to qualify with their pay stubs, with their tax returns. Underwriters are now looking to make sure that a borrower has the ability to repay. In fact, banks are mandated to be able to prove that a borrower has the ability to repay their mortgage in order to give them a loan. This goes for Fannie Mae loans. There are fraud and safeguards in place to ensure that homeowners can afford their mortgage. Each loan has to go through a quality control process before a borrower is able to sign loan docs. Let's look at the economy. We have low unemployment rates. We still have very low interest rates. They're still hovering around historical lows. We have supply and demand issues. There's lots of people that want to own a house, but very little supply, especially in the metro areas like in Los Angeles, the San Fernando Valley, etc. And we have sustainable growth in the economy. The economy is growing at a steady and stable pace, and stock market's going through the roof. Values for homes are increasing as well steadily. And all of this together is what's sustaining this housing market right now. So fundamentally, the reason why the housing market is going up is for good reasons. It's because there's evidence from data that supports this. If you have any other questions regarding this topic, please feel free to leave your question in the comments section below and I'll be more than happy to answer it. If you're looking to buy, sell, invest, or need to refinance or are looking for a purchase loan, please call me at 818-312-0831 for a complimentary, confidential consultation. This is Alan Burdetsky with Boutique Realty and Reliable Home Loans signing off for now. We'll talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye-bye.